Ever wondered how to make the perfect cheese veg burger at home? Well, it's easier than you might think. Here's how to create that mouth-watering, cheesy delight right in your own kitchen. First, gather the ingredients. You'll need a half cup of grated cheese, 1 cup of boiled mashed potatoes, a half cup of boiled green peas, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander, 1 finely chopped green chili, a half teaspoon of garam masala, a pinch of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and breadcrumbs. Now let's dive into the preparation. Combine the mashed potatoes, green peas, grated cheese, chopped coriander, and green chili in a bowl. Add the garam masala, turmeric, and salt. Mix all these ingredients together until they're well blended. Next, divide this mixture into equal portions and shape each one into a round patty. Roll these patties in the breadcrumbs until they're evenly coated. Now it's time to cook. Heat a non-stick pan and pour in some oil. Once the oil is hot, place the patties on the pan and cook until they're golden brown on both sides. While the patties are cooking, get the buns ready. Slice them in half and spread some butter on the inner sides. Toast these buttered buns on a pan until they're slightly browned. Assemble your burger now. Place a slice of cheese on the lower half of the bun, followed by the cooked patty. Top it off with some lettuce, tomato slices, and your favorite sauce. Cover it with the other half of the bun, and there you have it. A perfect cheese veg burger made right at home. Remember, the key to a great burger is in the quality of your ingredients and the love you put into making it. Enjoy your homemade, scrumptious delight.